Hi, Dan here with another exciting offer from Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses. Now, are you tired of your birdhouse not helping you cut up your vegetables? Well, mine can. Look at how great that is. Or let's say you just need to clean up a spill. Oops, I spilled my water. No problem, nothing's too big for Dan's world famous ugly birdhouses. Just look how it's going. It's dry. It'll even get a cat out of the tree. Just watch. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. And look what it does for this old fender's paint job. Make it good as new. Now check it out. Perfect. So you need to act fast right now. Our operators are standing by before they're sold out. Just $15.
Hey.